What's up, guys? Today we're going to talk about the 8.5 KS rigging. The first and my personal favorite way to fish it is the glide mode. So you have I have a 12 gram weight right here. The hooks I like to use are the BKK Titan Driver Pluses, and you can add either an 8 gram or 12 gram weight. I have the 12 gram on right now, and what I like this one is the floating plastic makes an extra slow sink, so once you put the hook on, it makes it hang a lot better, and it gets that cool wide glide, slow wide glide, especially with the 8.5. It's a really fun bait. It gets bit a ton too. That's what I like about this bait. It gets really bit for how big it is. You just got to find that special one to get it actually inhaled. So that's the first option, is the glide mode. That's my personal favorite right now. And the next mode is like jig mode, so you can fish this on the bottom, slide that way all the way up so it stands up straight and just hops on the bottom. This thing is really cool on the bottom because that tail, we made that tail really thin, but the actual tail part is really thick. Like it goes back up into that 1/2 inch, so there's a lot of tail movement and a lot of body roll, and it looks really cool on the bottom. So this is the jig mode, so slide that way all the way up. And now we have top water mode, so you can either take these off or something like that, but this is without the weight, and it fishes really high in the water column, gives it a good pop on the surface, which if they're biting the pop on the surface, it's a really fun bait. You get huge blow-ups on this. So this is just the weight out. That's what I like about the Titan Driver Plus hook from BKK, is you can take the weight out, you can slide it up, so you never really have to unrig the bait, which is really nice because you always want to have it be very rigged and not have to keep taking out, keep changing hooks and all that stuff. But what this is, you can literally fish any way you want to with this bait and with that hook. So that's my favorite hook. And then I highly recommend a hook keeper. I want to try to get to working class 0 hook keeper for the gutter toads, because that's more of a cone shape, which is be really good for the flat bait style, because this tends to kind of blow out sometimes when you fish it a lot. So I think that cone shape will really help. So I'm going to definitely get that cone shaped gutter toad hook keeper, and then I'm going to try to get a saber too, because I think with the saber and the hook keeper, this bait is going to be very durable. It's a very durable bait. Like you would think, it moves a ton of water and moves really good in the water, but like it's still very durable for a plastic salt bait. So that is the rigging video, and I hope y'all are ready for the drop. We're trying to get some production molds in, and I am very pumped. But peace, KS out.